The easiest way to recommend the right training solutions to your potential customers is through a quiz. Here's how you can build that using ChatGPT. First, you want to tell ChatGPT which training solutions you offer. Then, using this prompt, ChatGPT will create personal results or outcomes for your quiz that point people, based on the result that they get, to the right training solution for them. You can see here for Brittney, the beauty boss in training, someone who's just getting started and still trying to figure out the right products to sell in their business, would need something like her free training. But the beauty boss, somebody who is ready for growth and scale, is ready for the plug and play launch kit. So you're really giving your audience, the right person in your audience, the right content that they need based on where they're at in this journey. Once you follow the rest of the ChatGPT prompts and build your quiz and interact, this is what it's going to look like. Someone is able to click, take your quiz, and then they're going to answer your quiz questions to get a proper result based on where they're at. Let's try to get that beauty boss in training result. So where am I at on my entrepreneurship journey? I'm just exploring the possibilities. I am trying to figure out what the right products are to sell, and I have no idea where to start. Little side note, this is an engagement question where the answers don't actually relate to a final outcome, but it's great for engagement and getting people to think about their business and what their goals and aspirations are. You can also use this question for segmentation just to see how people are answering it. Are they interested in being environmentally conscious or inclusive and innovative or trendy and fast growing? Which celebrity do they most relate to? You can use that in your marketing efforts to speak to the majority of your audience. Let's say I haven't even thought about where I'm sourcing products from yet, and I have no idea where to talk to influencers. And here we go. We got the Beauty Boss in Training result where Brittney can recommend her free training to get started. If you want to be efficient like Brittney, head over to ai.tryinteract.com, fill out this form with any quiz ideas you have, your website, or the training solutions that you're wanting to point your people to, and we, the team at Interact, will create your quiz for you. Check out this video for all of the prompts you're going to need to write your quiz using ChatGPT.